Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot currently use WhatsApp because it is violating our commercial policy. If you're using WhatsApp and you're facing the issue that you cannot use WhatsApp because it's violating our commercial policy, so let's see how can you fix that. So there's a quick fix for that. It might be that it will work for you. You have to uninstall your WhatsApp business and try to use original WhatsApp app, or if you're using WhatsApp business and you still want to use WhatsApp business, there's the only way. You just have to tap on this support option here, or you can also use your browser here and search for WhatsApp support. Open the first website from here, tap on this contact us option, and then you have to enter your phone number, then enter your email address, then re-enter your same email address. You have to make sure that you're entering an active email address. Then select your device on which you use WhatsApp. It might be your Android, your iPhone, or your web store on text. Or I'm going to select my iPhone from here, and after that you have to enter a message that which issue you're facing. So you must have to enter the same message you're facing, that you cannot currently use WhatsApp because it is violating our commercial policy and something like that, and then some different words to explain your issue. Once you have done, you just have to tap on this next step. It will open in your email app. It will send a mail to WhatsApp support, and after that, you'll get a confirmation mail up to for 24 hours. And after doing that, you'll fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.